Hello students, we will continue the chapter globe, latitudes and longitudes with a new topic, longitude and time. Here we will discuss about GMT, then local time, standard time, Indian standard time and time zones. Okay, we are going to discuss about longitude and time. What is the relationship between longitude and time? Then about GMT, local time, standard time, Indian standard time and the time zones. Children, first we will study about GMT. Okay, we all know that the sun is the best timekeeper. Isn't it, children? Throughout the world, sun is the best timekeeper because it regularly rises and sets every day, isn't it? So, the Greenwich Mean Time, this is GMT is called the Greenwich Mean Time. What is the full form of GMT? Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, what is Greenwich Mean Time? The time at Greenwich Meridian. Okay, the time at Greenwich Meridian is called the Greenwich Mean Time. What is Greenwich Meridian? We know it is the prime meridian, the main meridian. Prime meridian is also called the main meridian. It is the 0 degree meridian. This is the prime meridian. Okay, 0 degree meridian. Children, when the midday sun shines over the prime meridian, it is midday over the prime meridian. Okay, it will be midday or 12 noon. It will be 12 noon over the prime meridian, and all the places belong to the prime meridian have 12 noon. All the places lying in prime meridian has the same time, 12 noon. Okay, now we know that earth rotates from west to east. Earth rotates from west to east. So, the places to the east of prime meridian, the east of prime meridian, this is east. Okay, to the east of prime meridian, the time will be ahead of GMT. Okay, ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Places to the east of prime meridian, the time will be ahead of GMT. And the places to the west, this is to the west. Okay, the places to the west of prime meridian, time will be behind GMT. The time will be behind GMT. You can see here, this is 90 degree east longitude. This is 90 degree west longitude. You can see the time from 12 noon, 90 degree east longitude, 6 hours difference. So, 6 hours is added to 12 noon, that is 6 p.m. Okay, and here 90 degree west, we minus 6 hours from 12 noon, that is 6 a.m. Okay, at 90 degree west, the time will be 6 a.m. whereas 90 degree east, the time will be 6 p.m. Did you understand the difference? Okay, and you can see this is the 180 degree longitude. Here the time is midnight. When there is midday on prime meridian, it will be midnight at 180 degree longitude. Is that clear, children? 12 hours difference. Okay, now we know that earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to rotate on its axis. To complete one rotation, it takes 24 hours or 1 day. To rotate on its axis means it rotates 360 longitudes in one rotation. So, to cross 360 longitudes, the earth takes 24 hours. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now, earth takes 4 minutes to cross one longitude. Okay. So, earth takes 4 minutes to cross, okay, the distance, to travel the distance of 1 degree longitude. Earth takes 4 minutes. Then earth takes 60 minutes or 1 hour to cross 15 degree longitude. Okay, 15 degree means 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes, that is equal to 1 hour. So, the earth takes 4 minutes to cross 1 degree longitude. So, the longitudinal difference, the time difference is 4 minutes. Okay, each longitude has a difference of 4 minutes. Then 15 degree, it takes 60 minutes. Okay, children, that is equal to 1 hour. Then, now we are going to study about local time. What is local time? What do you mean by local time? The time at the local meridian of a place. The time at the local meridian of a place is called the local time. Children, the local time of places differ because the places locating on different longitudes, the local time are different. So, local time differ at different longitudes. For example, the local time of Dwaraka in Gujarat and the local time of Dibrugarh in Assam. Okay, we are taking the local time of Dwaraka in Gujarat and the local time of Dibrugarh in Assam. They are different. These two places local times are different. Why they are different? Because these two places are located at different longitudes. They are located at different longitude. And what is the difference between these two places? There is a difference of 1 hour 45 minutes in the local time. Okay, 1 hour 45 minutes of difference between Dwaraka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. Is that clear? So, that will create lots of problems and confusion, especially for the schedule of traveling, okay, airways, railways and so on. So, every country needs to adopt a standard time. Okay. Now, we are going to study about the standard time. So, it is necessary to adopt a standard time. So, how do we select the standard time? Every country needs to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country. Okay. So, every country has to adopt the local time of some central meridian of that country as the standard time. They want to adopt the local time of the central meridian of that country. That is called the standard time. And for example, in India, 82.5 degree east is taken as the standard meridian. This is the standard meridian of India. You can see 82.5 degree east meridian. Okay, this is the standard meridian of India. And the time at 82.5 degree longitude is the standard time of India. The time at 82.5 degree east longitude is the standard time of India. The standard time of India is called IST. What is it called? IST. Okay. IST means Indian Standard Time. Okay. Now, IST is 5 hours. IST is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. IST is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Why it is like that? Because India is located to the east of prime meridian. India is located to the east of prime meridian and it is ahead of GMT 5 hours 30 minutes. Now, how do we calculate time in India when it is 2 p.m. in London? How do we calculate the time in India when it is 2 p.m. in London? Suppose a cricket match is going to held in London at 2 p.m. and you want to watch in India in television. Okay, what time you will be able to watch the cricket match? Let us find out the time in India. Okay, so GMT is Greenwich Mean Time is 2 p.m. It is already given 2 p.m. So now what is the time difference between GMT and IST? The time difference is 5 hours 30 minutes between GMT and IST. Okay, the time difference is 5 hours 30 minutes. Since India is located to the east of GMT, the Indian time, how do we find out the Indian time? We want to add 2 p.m. and 5 hours 30 minutes. We want to add 5 hours 30 minutes. That is the difference. Okay, we want to add 5 hours 30 minutes to 2 p.m. because Indian time is ahead of GMT. Then we will get 7:30 p.m. So what time you will be able to see the cricket match? 7:30 p.m. Is that clear, children? Yes. Now, time zones. Okay, Earth has 24 time zones. Earth is divided into 24 time zones. How many time zones? 24 time zones. Each time zone is 1 hour each. Okay, each time zone is 1 hour each. Thus, each zone covers 15 degrees of longitude. We know 15 degrees 1 hour. Each zone thus cover 15 degrees of longitude. Children, and some countries has great longitudinal extent. Okay, and for example, Russia has great longitudinal extent because of its big size, and Russia has about 11 standard times. Okay, it has 11 standard times. Okay, now I hope you all understood the topic, the longitude and time. Okay, now you want to read page number 15 and 16. Okay, children, you must read and underline the important points that we discussed today, as we have discussed about GMT, then local time, then IST, then the time zones. Okay. Now in page number 16, the textbook exercise is given. Children, the second exercise, that is tick the correct answer. You want to do that exercise. Then again in page number 17, fill in the blanks are given. That exercise also you have to do. Try to do this exercise, okay? And the question answers I will be sending. So the chapter is over. Thank you, children.